This is what I get for trying to be a good friend and helping my friend dye her hair purple. I get purple fingers. I know there's such thing as gloves. That thought didn't cross my mind until I had dye all over my hands. High IQ. Really high IQ. Hey guys, it's Kiana. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I honestly just really wanted to play with this palette. I got the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. So beautiful. It's one of those where I just put music in the back and you don't have to hear me talk. So if you like those videos, welcome back. I have my brows done. I'll link my brow tutorial down below as always. Let's go, shall we? The purple fingers really add a nice touch, so.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine cause she need it. A dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean. And at night, I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I be going to November. Going through the letters that I send her. And thinking about the moment that I met her. Well, I'll be back in due time, in due time. Touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to. And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it.
I hope you guys like the way this look turned out. I think it's really, really pretty and like sunsetty and cute. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you that watches them. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like videos like this, and leave some suggestions down below for what you want to see. Subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. You my purple hands.
Met her in the club, all the ballers showing love. Can you party?